Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Forza Horizon 6 error code FHE01 game crash on PC. This error can sometimes be caused by software conflicts from applications, as well as graphics settings issues. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu. Type Add or Remove Programs. Open it. Now use the search bar and look for Overwolf. If you find it, click on the three dots next to Overwolf. Select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to completely remove it from your computer. If you have Citrix installed, repeat the same process. Once you're done uninstalling Overwolf and Citrix, restart your computer. After the restart, launch Forza Horizon 6 and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. If the game is still crashing, open the Start menu and type Graphics Settings. Open it. Now expand Advanced Graphics Settings. Locate Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Turn this setting off. Close the window. Now launch Forza Horizon 6 again and check if the crash is resolved. Solution 3. If the error still appears, try launching the game in windowed mode. As soon as you launch Forza Horizon 6, repeatedly press Alt plus Enter. Keep pressing the keys several times while the game is starting. This will force the game to switch to windowed mode, which can help bypass startup crashes and the FHE01 error. After completing these methods, launch Forza Horizon 6 again and check if the game starts properly. The Forza Horizon 6 error code FHE01 game crash issue should now be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.